Hey friends, so today for math we are going to be working on a bar graph, which we've done some of these before, but we're going to talk about it before we get started today. So looking at our bar graph here, on the bottom we see dog, cat, rabbit, fish, hamster, and other. Then going up the side, we see the numbers, and as we go up, the numbers get bigger. And these numbers are the number of students. So looking at our graph here, we're going to see the number of students who have dogs, cats, rabbits, fish, hamsters, or other animals for their pet. So what our first question says is, what is the student's least favorite pet? So which pet on here has the smallest number of bars filled in? Let's see, the dog has 7, the cat has 4, the rabbit has 5, the fish has 2, the hamster has 3, and other pets only have 1. Which one do you think has the least amount? Good, it's other. So on this first line here for number 1, you're going to write the word other. O-T-H-E-R, other. Now our next question says, how many students said that a hamster is their favorite pet? So we need to look at our graph and we need to find the word hamster. Dog, cat, rabbit, fish, hamster. Here it is right here. Hamster. So it said how many students said that a hamster is their favorite pet? So let's count our bars. We have 1, 2, 3. So on this line for number 2, we're going to write the number 3 because 3 students have a hamster for a pet. Now on number 3, it says how many more students liked dogs than rabbits. So here is dog, and there's 7 students who liked dogs. And only 5 students liked rabbits. So I want you to hold up 7 fingers, and we're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are you left with? Good, 2. So on the second line, we're going to write the number 2 because 2 more students liked dogs than rabbits. Then on number 4, it says how many more students liked hamsters than fish? So here's hamster. 1, 2, 3 students liked hamsters, and 2 liked fish. So we're going to do 3. You can use your fingers and take 2 away. And how many are left? Just 1. So on number 4, we're going to write a 1 because 1 more student liked hamsters than fish. Now our next question says, how many students were surveyed all together? So we're going to have to go through and count all of our blocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So on this line here, we're going to write 22 because 22 students were surveyed about their pets. Then our next question says, what are the 2 labels on this graph? Our labels we can find right here on the side. Our first one says number of students. So Next to this number 1, you're going to write number of students. Then next to the number 2, you're going to write kinds of pets, because that's showing us on the bottom that these are all kinds of pets that the students have. So on number 1, write number of students, and on number 2, write kinds of pets. And the last thing says, tell me something you know or you observed about the class's favorite pets. So I want you to look at this graph and give me one observation. What's one thing that you know looking at this graph? Great work today, guys.